Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to download apps without using any Apple ID. Are you wondering if it's possible to download apps without using an Apple ID? Whether you want to avoid using Apple ID or you have simply forgotten your login details, we have got you covered. In this video, I will tell you different ways to download apps without the need of for an Apple ID. So let's dive right now. First of all, simply you have to tap on your settings and disable password or iTunes stores and App Store. You can bypass the need for Apple ID password by disabling the password requirement for the iTunes stores and App Store. This way you can download apps without having to enter your Apple ID password each time. Here's how to do it. Simply go to your Face ID and passcode, enter your passcode, and you can see your options iTunes and App Store. If it's enabled, simply disable it. If it still doesn't working and the apps are still requirement the Apple ID passcode, then simply you have to try solution number 2. Go back, scroll down, then you can see your option is screen time. Tap on it, scroll down again, and you can see your option content and privacy restriction. Go to it, go to iTunes and App Store purchases, go to install app, tap on don't allow. Now go to deleting app, tap on don't allow. Go to in-app purchase, simply tap on don't allow, and you can see our option required password and always required don't require. Simply tap on don't require, and now you can simply download apps without using Apple ID password or Apple ID. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.